In comments, the honourable member for Courtenay-Alberni.
Speaker, and I want to thank the member for speaking today. Mr. Speaker, 25,000 lives due to a poisoned drug supply have been lost in this country since this government got elected. Now, there was no mention in this in the speech from the throne. Nothing in the mandate letter to the health minister. It ranked 6th in the Minister of Health and Addictions. Now, Mr. Speaker, the courageous answer to this crisis is full decriminalization, regulated safe supply, record expungement, treatment on demand via public health system, prevention and education, all things recommended by her expert task force on substance use. Mr. Speaker, I have to ask the minister a question. Like, we've got applications from BC, Toronto, and Vancouver who've had their request for Section 56 decriminalization exemption sitting on her desk since last June. It has had the formal support of council, public health officials, the Vancouver Police Chief, Adam Palmer. Hundreds of people have died in the city. Well, this government dithers. When is she going to give them an answer on their application? When is she going to put the expert task force's recommendations into place? And will she support an NDP bill, which is a blueprint, a roadmap for her to take action on this crisis that isn't a crisis, Mr. Speaker? It's an emergency. It's a national health emergency, and she needs to call it that. This government needs to act like it is, like they did with COVID-19. Where are they? Lives are at stake, Mr. Speaker, and it can't be about votes. This can't be about votes and getting reelected. We got elected here to do the right thing. And when it comes to saving lives, that's the right thing to do. She needs to act now.
Honourable Minister of Mental Health.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank the member for his passion and for the private members bill that he's now tabled that we will be able to work on together. I look forward to being able to work on these things, particularly safe supply, as he knows that it is that at the moment the Public Prosecution Service has given guidance that people with small amounts of drug for possession should not be arrested, and of course but it is the toxic drug supply that's killing people. It is the need for safe supply, and I think that the $60 million that we've put into safe supply needs to be, in terms of those 17 projects, we need to do more. That's what I heard when I walked in the downtown east side, that it is going to have to be that people use drugs shouldn't die doing that. You cannot help people who are dead.